Hey, I'm Rob Marino, and this month's 3-Minute Tips is about the top social media sites for your ice cream frozen dessert business. So let's get started. So anybody who's watched these videos knows I'm a big proponent of social media marketing. I think it's huge for our type of businesses, and it's great to see a lot of our customers really get into it. But the question is, with all the social media sites out there, which ones do I focus on? Because our resources and our time is very limited. So what I like to do is really pick the top ones that are going to give you the most bang for your buck, right? So I start with Facebook. Facebook is really the king of social media marketing. 2.7 billion monthly active users on Facebook. It has about 80% of every age demographic is on Facebook, so it casts a very wide net. 96% of Facebook users use mobile devices, so make sure that your social media marketing and your design and your pictures and whatever you're going to put is catered to the smartphone. So Facebook is equipped with a lot of marketing tools to help bring a strong presence online. You could run campaigns. It's chock full of statistical analysis to help you track the success of those campaigns. And you could really create and manage ads to target specific groups of people. So it's really, really good. I also love Instagram. Instagram is a very visual site, right? First of all, it seamlessly integrates with Facebook. So if you're on Facebook and you're on Instagram, a lot of the content you're creating can run the gamut between the two platforms. It's very visual, as I said, which fits right into your product category. I mean, we're selling desserts, visual desserts. So a site like Instagram can help propel those visuals into sales for you. It's also very popular with a younger segment of users. For example, 67% of people 18 to 29 use Instagram. That diminishes to about 23% once you get from 50 and above. So Instagram has 1 billion monthly active users, and 500 million people use that daily. So it's an amazing, amazing site for you to use. It's now enhanced with paid ads, similar to Facebook, and it creates real good visual interaction amongst your customer base. And then also, when you're using Instagram, make sure you use hashtags, trendy hashtags to promote your products. But Instagram is great. Right now, 71% of US businesses have an active Instagram account, and 83% of users on Instagram say they discover new products that they didn't know about via the social media site. I also love Pinterest. Pinterest is an up-and-comer, but it has 322 million active users monthly. It shows off your products, you can share your photos, and you can make different boards for different categories. What I like about Pinterest is 70% of its users are female. So while everybody else is about 50-50, Pinterest really, really goes to the female demographic, and so you can kind of target some ads for that. Pinterest drives 33% more referral traffic than Facebook. So it's really, really popular, and it's really, really strong. So look into that. Last one is LinkedIn. And I like LinkedIn because you can promote the business. You're not necessarily promoting your products, you're promoting it in a different lane. You can create sponsorship opportunities, promote your fundraisers, and even use for prospecting employees. Just showing off your business to a different lane can create amazing opportunities that you might not have realized with these other social media sites. So when you look at social media, you can't go to everyone. You really have to be, your time and your resources are limited, so you have to be smart. And I think Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and LinkedIn is a really good start. Time's up. Thanks so much. We'll see you next month.